already took a shower this morning when I wake up around 4 o'clock. And I did some computer works. And then 6 o'clock, I went downstairs to do my laundry. And I'm going to cook my breakfast. Yeah, I have this long grain rice. This one just need to go to the microwave for 90 seconds. And I still have 2 pieces of eggs. And no oil, so I'm using again this butter. This one is not working, but they have a backup of this. I don't like this hummus anymore. I ate this last night. Yeah, that's 90 seconds. And this like this. It's raining again. Yeah, this is basically how it is. I am on the second floor and residential area. Those are some of the other units. This is $75 something, I forgot how much, or $95. Okay, I made it wash, but I'm waiting for this one to be finished. They are drying. Yeah, I met the 2 guys. They said they are also leaving today. Wow, look at this. I don't want to touch it. Also some more other things here. And while waiting for that, I'm going to clean the inside of the car. Oh no, no need, because I'm going to the car wash. Oh, maybe not today. It's okay, this dirty. Look at that. Oh, I'll just clean the glass so that I have a good view. It's not good idea to do the car wash because it keeps on raining. But yeah, the glass actually is not clean, so I'm going to clean this. And you know, yesterday this glass has full of dead insects and flies. It happens because a lot of them hitting this glass while driving. You can see that sand. Oh, yesterday this is the one that was hit by the stone. I don't know if you can see. Yeah. Other guys doing the dryer, so I think I will be running out of time. All the other occupants, hotel guests already left. This was full of car a while ago. Yeah, the clothes of the other guys is still wet. Yeah, this is my one. I prepare it like this. I said to them that when they finish, they can put it, dry it there. Yeah, but I just checked they are still wet. Yeah, I'm not going to wait. I'll go to the laundry shop. Yeah, I fill this up with water, so now it's full again. I have a lot of coins here in this tiny pocket, and my clothes are already over there. Yeah, it's a self-service. That guy, he just did his washing. He's carrying laundry soap. I'm worried about this. This is my paper jacket. So it's basically $1 or 6 minutes. They're making a YouTube video. Okay, finally finished the laundry. Yeah, that was about 30 minutes of being here. The drying machine, I used it for 24 minutes, and it cost me $4. actually to park here is free. In most regional city or regional town, yeah, there's is always still a big chance of getting a free parking compared to the city like Sydney, Melbourne. Yeah, most of the car park like this or street car park paid parking. Mostly here in regional area they are just limited, like this one limited for 2 hours but free. Yeah, I really enjoy walking in a place, in a new place. Yeah, like this. Look at this house. Nice. Morning, sir.
Pictures of everything.
Yeah, of beautiful.
Where you from? Philippines?
Yeah, from Philippines. Oh, very nice. I had a little conversation with the guy. Yeah, and they are originally from Cairns. Cairns is like a tropical Australia, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, they've been traveling for a year, they said. I park here in front of this school. It's a cathedral school, and they have that beautiful church. He knows my country by my accent. So initially he said to me, "What are you doing, mate? You're taking pictures? You're from Philippines?" Yeah, he asked me like that. I know that there are many Filipinos in Cairns. We are now leaving the city of Bathurst. And on the GPS I set of going to Blue Mountain. Bathurst is like one of the city in the greater Sydney with all the top Australian brands, grocery, etc. They are also here. This road is a Great Western Highway. Yeah, coming from Bathurst, going to Let Go, and Blue Mountain. Let Go, it's a LITHGOW. Let go, let it go, let go. Don't let it cry. Here I am. And it is very foggy. You can't really see what's really going on the other side. Also along the way there is a sign of be careful with the snow and ice on the road. So this is now the city of Let Go, but we're not going inside the city center. We're going direct to Blue Mountain. It looks dry here, but yeah, look at the mountain. Yeah, it is covered with the clouds, fog. How it feels being inside there covered with clouds. Maybe scary, or maybe just like a normal ordinary rain feeling. I did my best, but I guess my best wasn't good enough. Baby, understand the way before. Yeah, we're again climbing a high mountain. The good thing about this is a concrete compared to the Yarra Valley. Yeah, to the Yarra mountain range, which is a rough road, gravel road, sand road. Oh, here's the fog. Yeah, here is foggy. And the name of this place is Mount Victoria. And I've seen so many speeding camera. The time is 1:41, but it's like a morning here because of the fog. And the speed here is just 60. Oh, in this we are here I'm thinking of continuing or go or not. This is now heading to the camping ground, but still early and I don't have food. Yeah, I don't have food. I go back.